Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make diet French toast. We will begin by selecting our ingredients. Opt for whole wheat bread to boost fiber. For the liquid base, choose egg whites or a liquid egg substitute, and unsweetened almond milk or skim milk to keep calories low. A dash of vanilla extract and cinnamon will provide wonderful flavor without needing extra sugar. This simple approach ensures a delicious and healthy start to your day. Now, let's prepare our light and flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large egg whites with 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix everything thoroughly until it is smooth and well combined. This ensures each slice of bread will be perfectly coated, absorbing all the delicious, healthy flavors before cooking. It is time to cook our French toast to golden perfection. Lightly coat a non-stick pan with cooking spray and heat it over medium heat. Dip each slice of bread into the batter, making sure it is fully coated but not overly saturated. Place the coated bread in the hot pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it is beautifully golden brown. Remember to adjust the heat as needed for even cooking. Your delicious and healthy French toast is ready. Now for the best part, toppings. Enhance the flavor with fresh berries such as strawberries or blueberries for natural sweetness. A light drizzle of sugar-free maple syrup or a simple sprinkle of cinnamon also works wonderfully. For an extra protein boost, consider a dollop of plain Greek yogurt. Enjoy this guilt-free, satisfying meal that is both tasty and good for you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.